Welcome to Toddoo, the online exhibitor portal for the EAIE conference and exhibition. This tutorial will give you a short overview of everything you need to know about booking your stand at the EAIE exhibition. The Toddoo platform is your go-to space for all matters related to your exhibition stand. Here, you can book your space and stand, check your invoice, order additional stand services, download the exhibitor manual, view the exhibition terms and conditions, and much more. To ensure you have the best experience when booking and managing your stand, please use Google Chrome. Some features might not display correctly on other browsers. Go to toddoo.com/event/EAIE 2025. If your organization already has a Toddoo account, fill in the email address and password and click on Sign In. The first thing to check after signing in are your billing details. Ensure that they are correct by clicking on the profile icon at the top right corner and go to Edit. Check your company name, VAT number, and email address for invoicing under Company Information. Check your billing address under Company Addresses. If you need to update the country or the VAT number in your billing details, please reach out to us at exhibition@eaie.org and we will update it for you. If you're exhibiting with the EAIE for the first time, you will need to create a new account. Please make sure to follow these steps. Appoint a single contact person responsible for managing your organization's Toddoo account. This person will set up the account and be the owner of your organization's data. Have on hand all the necessary information ready to complete your profile, such as billing details and your VAT number if your organization is based in the EU. Click on Create an Account. Fill in your name, professional email address, set a password, and add your phone number. Once you are done, click on Next. Then, fill in information about your organization. Please be aware that the organization's email is where your invoices will be sent. You can indicate your own email here if you would like to receive the invoices directly. When complete, click Proceed. As the last step, accept the data protection policy, and now you have created your account in Toddoo. In Toddoo, click on the floor plan to select and book your stand space. Spaces are designated with 3 different colors. Red indicates an already booked space. Orange is a reserved or available upon request space. And blue is a space you can book directly. To check the details of any space, simply click on it and a pop-up will indicate the size, dimensions, and type. If the EAIE has pre-blocked a space for you, it will be visible in your cart in the top right corner of your screen. You will also see that the space is reserved for your organization under Booth Details. If you do not have a space already in your cart, you can select the one you want from the available options on the floor plan. Blue spaces can be booked instantly. If you would like to book one of the reserved spaces, please contact us by email. To book a space, click on Book Now and buy and secure this booth, and it will be added to your cart. Please note, when your selected space is in your cart, it is still available for other exhibitors to book. It is only marked as unavailable on the floor plan once your booking is finalized. To confirm your booking, click on your cart, accept the terms and conditions of Toddoo, and click on Checkout. You are now on the confirmation page. Please double-check the total cost and your billing details. You can also add a PO number to be included on the invoice. To confirm your booking, accept terms and conditions and click on Confirm. Your space is now booked. You will receive an invoice from the EAIE by email, and you can also download it from the Invoices section. Now that your space is booked, you can select and book one of the stand packages in the shop. You can book a stand package at the same time or do it later if you need more time to decide on the package that fits your needs. Exhibitors booking 36 square meters or smaller can book a basic shell scheme and premium stand packages. Stands of 24 square meters or larger can opt for a sustainable free build provided by EA Exhibition and partners. This could be a modular stand design or MSD package, or a custom sustainable stand. Those booking free build stands can also design and build stands with their own contractor, which means contracting a third party to build your stand. To book a stand package, click on Shop and go to the Book Your Stand section. Select the size of your booked space and the layout type, row, corner, or peninsula. If you are not sure what size or type your space is, you can view it under Booth Type in the My Booth section. After selecting the size and type, you will see available stand packages. Please click on the package of your choice and click on Add to Cart. To confirm the order, go to your cart, select your booth, accept terms and conditions, and click Confirm. Your stand package is now booked. You will find the invoice from EA Exhibitions in the Invoices section. While in Toddoo, take some time to explore the documents in the Downloads section. Here, you can download the terms and conditions for the overall exhibition and exhibition suppliers, as well as stand forms, the social media kit, and other relevant documents. Please make sure to check the exhibitor manual for crucial exhibition information as soon as it becomes available in the Manuals section. You will be able to purchase additional exhibitor services such as electricity, carpet, and furniture items as soon as they become available in the shop. At any time during your exploration of Toddoo, if you get stuck or have questions, help is available. We recommend that you first take a look at the FAQs on the EAIE website, and if you still need help, email exhibition@eaie.org. Thank you for exhibiting at the EAIE Conference and Exhibition.